The Aeitto Slow Masticating Juicer EP106, with its unique triple mode, is capable of extracting juice from a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, ensuring a high-purity juice with reduced oxidation. The upgraded Auger of the Aeitto Juicer enhances juice yield, retaining more nutrients while reducing oxidation and operating at a noise level of less than 60 decibels. The Aeitto Juicer has a unique one-button disassembly design, making it easy to clean, and it also comes with a cleaning brush to further ease the cleaning process. The juice and pulp separation feature of the Aeitto Juicer ensures a pure juice extraction, providing the purest juice and vitamins for you and your family. The Aeitto Juicer comes with a 12-month warranty service, highlighting the manufacturer's confidence in the product's durability and quality. With an impressive review score of 4.4 and a total of 2,926 reviews, this juicer is highly recommended by users for its performance and quality.